I did the first draft. I had no idea if it was terrible or what. Para sa akin, parang okay naman siya. So
Oo.
I gathered a few of my friends to beta read.
Oh,
Close
nice.
friends lang
How did you
talaga.
know na kailangan mo magpa-beta read? Or parang
Nag-research muna
nag-research ka
ako. Nag-research
talaga?
muna ako na what
Okay.
I have a first draft, what do I do? Parang
Nice.
kasi ito it's not Google search. I have a first draft of a manuscript. What do I do?
Life doesn't always go as planned. Pero what if the wrong turns lead us exactly where we need to be, to somewhere even better? I'm Gia Santos, an electronics engineer turned startup founder, and trust me, I know what it's like to feel lost, question everything, and figure things out along the way. That's why I started Off the Record, a podcast where we have chill kwentuhan about life's plot twists, finding our ikigai, and starting new chapters. In each episode, we hear the raw, unfiltered stories of guests who went through unexpected shifts from career to love and everything in between. Pati na rin yung books that helped them along the way. Because sometimes, even if hindi ka mahilig magbasa, all it takes is one book or even just one page, one sentence to change your life. For those at a crossroads, still figuring things out, or just looking for real talk, this is for you. Because the best stories always come with a plot twist. So let's talk about that off the record.
All right. So, hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Off the Record with me, Gia Santos. And this podcast is brought to you by Reco, your gateway to Filipino books and authors. And today we have a special guest again. So she's actually a data analyst and a mom and a published author. So she's published her first two books in her 20s, and we'll hear more about her story and her journey, how she's able to juggle all of those roles at a very young age. And let's all welcome Kyra Isabel.
Hello, hi.
Welcome to the
Thank you,
podcast,
thank
Kyra.
you.
Pati yung,
Finally.
finally, nakailang reschedule.
Nakailang reschedule kami.
Oh my God. Pero talagang, I guess, I believe in perfect timing. So, I guess, today yung tamang time for us. And, ang tawag dito, alam mo, natanong ako, nakalimutan ko. Ayun. This is your first
Yes,
podcast,
first
no?
podcast ever.
Yeah, ever. So, kamusta na? Hindi ka naman
Di naman, very
kinakabahan?
chill naman yung
Very chill. Yeah, actually, yun nga. Kasi off the record yung theme. So, talagang unfiltered stories lang. And just an insight, guys, yung process namin. Kanina ayoko siyang kausapin pagdating niya. Kasi gusto ko natural pa
Kaya pala
nagkwentuhan
hindi
kami.
siya nagsasalita.
Oo. Medyo dahil introvert din. But at the same time, yun nga, gusto ko i-preserve yung ganitong, kasi kanina din, may nakwento na siya ulit.
Oo nga, medyo madaldal pala
Okay
talaga.
lang. So yun, Kyra, paano natin sisimulan? Maybe we can start with, how do you introduce yourself to those meeting you for the first time?
I guess it depends, no? If it's let's assume na lang na it's a bookish crowd.
Okay.
If it's a bookish crowd, I leave out the other details and I introduce myself as a self-published author of 2 romance books.
Self-published author of 2
Romance
romance
books set in the Philippines.
Ang ganda nung ganun ka-specific, no?
Oo.
Actually, oo.
Kasi parang yung set in the Philippines, medyo konti lang yun. So when
Sobra.
people find out na Philippines, then they're gonna ask, what's that?
Okay.
So parang siya, way to introduce din na it's a Filipino literature.
Ang galing kasi, yun nga yung napansin ko, no? When we talk about romance, very rare yung tawag dito, in the Philippine context. Tapos yung mga sanay lang tayo, yung mga nasa Wattpad. So, seeing yung books mo now, it's between then and now, no? And between here and there, they're both Philippine setting.
Yes, Philippine setting. Well, this one has a New York setting din, pero more on the Philippines pa din.
So parang tawag dito, you are also a data analyst, tama ba?
I am a full-time data
Oo nga,
analyst.
kaya nga, kasi
Yun yung most part of my life.
yeah, grabe. Kasi when I first heard about you, kasi I think I first saw you nung Philippine Book Fest media launch.
Yes,
You were there,
I was
diba?
there.
But I wasn't able to talk to you. But I see your posts, I see your book everywhere. And then I was thinking, akala ko full-time author to. So when I talked to you, I think nung PBF mismo, na-mention mo that you have a full-time job.
I do.
Yeah, so how are you able to juggle it all, diba?
Well, actually, I started the data analyst job. I transferred from a different company to this current company na work from home setting siya. So,
Okay.
when it's a work from home setting, when it comes na it's 5 o'clock, I try my best not to, overtime talaga.
Yeah, talagang
Kasi,
boundaries.
kasi when you, pag work from home, tapos nag-overtime ka pa, parang nawawala na yung concept of, home.
Yeah, yung parang boundaries.
Yeah, yeah,
Especially you
yeah.
have a
Yeah, I
baby,
have a
tama,
toddler,
toddler.
2-year-old.
Year-old.
So what I usually do is, syempre yung within the day, talaga I do the job.
Okay,
Yung
talagang within the
talagang yung
time.
within the time that I'm paid to do my job, I do
Oo.
my job. Oo. So syempre, realistically speaking, hindi naman all the time busy. So every
Yeah.
time na may konting, siguro a few minutes, a few hours, nagsisingit ako ng writing time.
Okay,
So,
nice.
since naman, I use Google Doc, so pwede ko naman siyang gamitin ng so parang 'pag may
Oo.
konting free time, sinisingitan ko siya
Nice,
ng
nice.
writing time.
Talagang ano 'no, kumbaga no excuses.
Oo, no
Oo.
excuses. Well, actually, hindi ko naman din talaga plan mag-publish in the first place.
Okay.
Kasi, last year, my husband was in Pampanga, na contractor siya, so nandun siya sa Pampanga for parang 4 days a week. Tapos yung 4 days a week na yun, yung toddler ko kasi bait niya, 6 p.m. tulog na
Ay,
siya.
wow, sana all.
Oh, 6 p.m. tulog na siya, ta's
Oo.
the next day nagigising siya 7, tuloy-tuloy yun.
Ang galing,
So
ah.
imagine 6 p.m., I have a lot of free time, wala yung husband ko, hindi kami nakakanood, usual ganyan. So ang dami kong free time, and then I got back into reading, so sabi ko,
Okay.
why not write, since I love writing din naman,
Love
so
writing
why not
talaga.
try. Ta's natapos ko yung first draft in a month, hindi.
What? Seryoso? So yung first book mo yung nauna yung
Ito
between then and
actually, ito yung una
okay.
kong sinulat.
Okay.
Pero parang hindi ko pa siya plan to make it a series. Sabi ko, I just want to write a romance novel. Tapos nung sinusulat ko 'to, ito kasing story nito, may wedding sa story niya. Parang
Okay.
umattend sila ng wedding. Yung aatenan nilang wedding, sabi ko, parang hindi ko ma-explain yung love dun sa wedding, kasi parang side characters lang sila. So I wanted to share their story first. So tinop ko 'to. So
So yung first book is the story of the wedded
yeah, yeah. Yeah,
couple.
yeah, yeah.
Ay, ang galing.
So parang sabi ko, hindi ako maka-connect. So hindi ko siya masulat in a way na maganda, kasi parang walang connection dun sa characters, parang walang foundation. So sabi ko, sulat ko muna.
I'm curious kasi parang siyempre you're wearing many hats. I mean, I
Yeah.
can relate na parang coming from a medyo tech background, data analyst, tas bigla kang
Yeah.
creative writing. For me kasi when I write, it's not fiction eh. Hindi ako
Ah,
marunong magsulat ng fiction. Mostly poetry and non-fiction lang. So for you, like, how is it like yung process? How do you come up with the idea or how what's your creative process?
siguro it comes with reading din kasi. I love
Ah,
reading this genre.
romance
So
talaga.
I love reading this romance books, and then I started reading a lot na yung mga small town romances na set
Okay.
sa usually sa US, 'di ba? Gano'n. Sabi
Oo.
ko, parang gusto ko ng wala bang
Dito sa
dito? So
Philippines.
wala.
Ay, okay.
So nagsulat ako. So sabi ko, feeling ko naman kaya ko, 'cause I
Mm.
read a lot. So familiar ako sa flow ng story, sa plot, sa
Okay.
tropes, sa
Gets.
dialogue. So sabi ko, feeling ko naman kaya ko siya i-tailor fit to something that others can relate to, while making it me, 'di ba?
Oo.
Kasi sometimes magbabasa ako ng book, so feeling ko, parang mas bagay yung dialogue na 'to. So sabi,
Ang
parang maiisip
galing.
mo
So
lang
talagang
siya.
parang
Oo.
naano mo din siya,
Oo, oo.
oo, na-analyze mo din.
And, actually ngayon lang ako nag-start mag-fiction writing,
Talaga?
oo. Kasi nagba-blog ako before. Since high
Okay.
school meron akong personal blog.
Same ba? Ano anong gamit mong blog?
Blogspot
Na
pa.
Blogspot, yeah. Nag-try ka ba ng mga Tabula, Sangha,
Pero parang lagi akong
LiveJournal?
bumabalik sa
Bumalik ka sa
Blogspot
Blogspot?
'pag blogging, kasi
Oo.
parang ewan ko, siguro nasanay na lang din ako. Tsaka dati wala naman akong audience talaga, 'di ba? So personal
Oo, parang ano siya, personal diary yung blog.
na
Naging
oo.
part ka ba ng mga vlogging communities? Kasi parang dati, 'di ba ngayon uso yung sa Facebook groups, pero dati yung
Oo.
vlogging community was magko-comment ka lang sa mga
Oo,
vlogs ng
meron,
isa't
meron.
isa.
Tas dati nga sa school, sa Lasal kasi ako nag-college,
Okay,
tapos meron dong parang extra classes that you can take.
okay.
Tas meron dong Vlogging 101 with kilala mo ba sila Vernice?
Yeah, si Vernon Bernice,
Tas
sobrang taga OG vloggers yun, eh.
sila yung nag-speaker. Sabi ko parang,
Wow.
kaya ko rin mag-vlog. So, hindi ko naman siya magawa ng lifestyle vlogging,
Oo.
'di ba?
Oo.
So, ano lang ako, parang tina-try ko lang mag-vlog personally
Oo.
using their tactics, gano'n.
Sige, wait lang. Sorry, pause. Hello, daan ka
Hello.
lang.
Sorry.
Sorry. Okay, alam mo na Josh, pakat yun, Thank you. Nasaan tayo? Vlogging?
Vlogging,
Okay lang.
vlogging.
So yung sa dahil dun sa vlogging 101 class sa Lasal,
Actually, may vlog na ako even before that. Pero
kailan ka nag-start mag-vlog?
high school, mga
Ay, yung nga high school.
14.
Yes.
Yung
Start
mga
ako
time na
mag-vlog.
yung
Ako,
yung mga time na feeling ko galit yung world sa'kin.
same! Yun din yung inspiration ko sa pag-vlog when I think I was
'Di ba
10.
parang pa-emo-emo pero
Emo, exactly. Yun yung term, emo.
emo-emo
Emo.
kunyari pero if I'm looking back at it, parang wala naman talaga akong issue.
Parang gusto lang, alam mo yung parang yung mag-post ka ng mga broken na
Oo,
songs din sa
broken.
sa Friendster.
Pero hanap ng reason to be
Oo.
broken para may
Oo.
masulat ka, pero
Oo.
technically wala naman talaga.
Wala naman talaga. Yung mga akala mo na
Oo,
heartbroken ng malala
oo,
nung
kasi happy
bata.
naman yung family ko. Parang
Oo.
konting mapagsabihan ka lang, the world hates me.
Parang perfect ka nga talaga sa writing,
Oo,
no?
'di ba? So, dramatic ka talaga.
Dramatic.
So, ngayon 'pag binabasa ko, oh my God.
Parang yung kumbaga, yung emotion mo lang is sad, pero parang
Oo,
yung
parang
sulat mo is excruciating pain.
oo, parang sobra-sobra talaga. So,
Oo.
which is okay din siguro kasi nagiging gateway siya to my writing.
Oo.
Yun.
So, parang dun nagsimula yung
Oo,
writing journey
writing
mo.
in itself. Pero
Ay,
yung fiction
oo.
last year lang.
Ang galing. I have a question, Kyra. Kasi kung nagsisimula ka na mag-writing when you were young, so alam mo na you like it. Bakit? Ano yung naging course mo ng college?
Business management.
Okay.
Well, the usual, alam mo naman, wala daw pera sa arts, 'di ba? The
Yeah.
usual saying na
Yung mga
gano'n. So,
sinasabi.
siyempre I asked my parents. Actually, iniisip ko nga dati parang comm arts or journalism,
Yeah. Yun yung choices
gano'n.
ko din.
Oo.
Oo.
Kaso parang, yung ewan ko, na-influence din siguro ng parents ko. Sabi nila mag-business ano daw ako. So, sabi ko, "Sige, kayo naman magbabayad ng tuition."
Business people ba sila?
Hindi naman, pero parang siguro yung idea lang
Yung
na
idea na,
corporate,
gets.
gano'n.
Okay.
Na parang 'pag art hindi mo masyadong masu-sustain,
Oo.
yun.
How did you end up being a data analyst then? Did you,
Um, ah, it started I got a marketing job kasi can I say the company?
ay lang kung, oo.
Sa Petron siya before. Tapos parang ano siya, after sales siya. So, like analytics nung after promos, mga gano'n. So,
Okay.
na-enjoy ko naman siya. So, that really gave way sa data analytics. And then I transferred to a different company, mas more on tech na siya, which is parang actually ngayon medyo na-overwhelm ako, masyado siyang technical.
Oh my God, anong klaseng tech ba?
Hindi, parang ano lang talaga, yung back end na ng data. Dati kasi I am more of an end user ng
Okay.
data. Tas ngayon more
Okay.
on the actual data na
Yung
like,
mga you're handling mga database SQL,
oo,
ganyan?
gano'n. Parang ako kasi, 'di ba hindi ba i-a-analyze ko lang yung data after it's given to me, dun ako
Okay.
sanay. Tas
Oo.
ngayon I have to fix the data.
So, yung parang cleaning ng database. Oh my
Oo, so
God.
parang to make sure that it's
It's
clean when it
clean
comes
comes.
out.
Sobrang relate kasi with the reco development now, yun din yung inaasikaso namin with the machine learning kasi you
Yeah,
need to make sure the data is cleaned,
for its use, 'di ba?
yung
Oo.
merging, tapos
Yun, so medyo ano siya, although useful siya kasi 'di ba
yeah.
when you know how to ano, yung data, mas magamit siya someday, somewhere.
Yeah. Oo.
So, okey naman, tina-try ko naman siyang enjoyin talaga.
Nakita ko yung tina-try ko naman talaga
Pero mahirap
Okay.
siya. Kaya rin siguro ako
Right.
nag-write to give
Right.
myself an outlet to see na, maybe there's something else I'm actually good at.
Oo, pero I think naman the fact that you're there, you're good at it. Pero
Yeah.
it's just not something that you actually enjoy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kasi 'di ba often we think na dapat ma-enjoy ko yung work. So,
Oo.
parang ngayon nagagawa ko siya na I set it aside na, okay, it's just
It's just
work.
work.
Oo, it's not
Oo.
something I should enjoy. So, I should find something
I think
else
that's that.
that I will
Yeah.
enjoy.
I love that because ako kasi I've always been an advocate of the concept of ikigai. Yung Western definition niya is what you love doing, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can get paid for. And the common misconception of people is, kailangan yung ikigai mo. Kung ano yung work mo, yun na lang
Yun
yun.
na
Wala na.
yun.
And what I'm seeing like you, yung in your case, actually, pwede naman talaga na mag-work ka lang for the sake of work because it's giving you what you need in terms of necessities, security, and you're good at it.
Yeah.
But tama lang din that actually you can explore your other passions as part of your the things that you love doing. So yun yung parang naging susi
Oo,
din
siguro
for you
add
to
ko din 'no,
publish.
parang for me kasi ikigai can be
Yun.
layered, 'di ba?
Yeah,
Hindi
okay.
it doesn't have to be this one major thing,
Exactly.
yun. So kaya nga when people ask me, 'di ba, ano
Oo.
yung ikigai mo? 'Di ba may test 'yan, 'di ba,
O
to
parang
find your
oo,
ikigai.
yung
So
mga
ako parang masyadong parang masyadong complex to define
to
it as
define
one
it.
thing, kasi it's
Oo.
not for
And
me.
what some for me nga din and for the other friends I've talked to, yung nung una kasi I thought ikigai is something specific. Yung sa'kin dahil engineering ako ta's I love business and innovation, akala ko tech startups yung ikigai ko. But as I tried a lot of other things, nag-create ako ng content, tapos, eto nga books and creating communities, na-realize ko, it doesn't have to be necessarily tech startup as long as it's scalable social impact. And then na-realize ko din more na yung ikigai ko is something that can enable sustainable livelihoods or parang helping people earn from their
Yeah, 'di ba?
passion, ganyan.
So layered siya.
Layered siya. And actually, yung isang guest nga din na ang ikigai niya is family.
Yeah,
So, 'di ba? So it's very nuanced.
totoo. Yeah, so share ko na yung
Go, you go.
Yung
Yeah, your
yung
ikigai.
ikigai ko siguro it's being able to, I don't know, share stories that leave an impact
Share
para
stories that leave an
oo.
impact.
In
Ganda.
in the same way, I can also live my life in the same impactful way, 'di ba? Parang kasi if I share this story to someone and they feel good about it, I in turn feel good. So
Oo.
if I feel good, I feel like I'm going to be a better mom, a better wife, a better everything else, 'di ba? So yun.
Talagang ano siya, it's stemming from what makes you feel alive and what nurtures you. Kasi if you also focus on what will help you,
Yeah.
mas nakakapag-radiate ka din out ng good energy
Yeah,
and it
feeling ko
helps you be better.
yeah, dun din nagsa-start yung burnout, when you start to feel like, hindi ko na 'to na-e-enjoy yung trabaho ko. I have to be able to enjoy it. Sometimes you don't have to, 'di ba? But
Yun nga eh.
it's just
It's
work.
ano, it's just work. Actually, it's our misplaced
Oo,
expectations that
yeah.
burn us out.
Totoo. I like
Di ba?
that. Misplaced
Misplaced
expectation.
expectations. So at least ngayon, you were able to create a clear line and boundary between what your livelihood is, your
Yeah.
income or your main work, which is a data analyst, and
Yeah.
then your role as a mom and as an author now.
Yeah. I mean, in the future, if I get the opportunity to be a
82%.
full-time,
Yan,
'di ba? I mean,
author.
of
Yun yung
course,
goal
'di ba?
natin.
Sino ba namang
Ay,
aayaw?
oo.
But for the meantime, I don't see anything wrong with
Wrong with it.
doing all these things. Kahit pa you're not super good at it, do it. Do what you have to do, 'di ba?
Oo.
Do what you have to do from 8 to 5, then stop.
Exactly. Parang ano din eh, hindi naman kailangan magmadali.
Yeah,
Hindi
yeah.
naman kailangan
Yun nga.
magmadali. So, yeah, it's about the phases also in your life. And
True.
then, ang ganda kasi, you didn't also let that parang limitation na, kasi di ba usually people who have full-time jobs and actually raising a family, they would think, wala na akong time for my passion.
Yeah. True. Especially moms, 'di
Yeah,
ba?
especially moms, lalo na with the expectations also
True.
on moms. So, for you, you mentioned, 'di ba, you wrote your first draft
Last
in last year lang,
in a month.
in a month. Okay. So, tas parang how did you get to publish it? Na parang, 'di ba, I'm not super familiar yet dun sa intricacies of self-publishing. So, how did you get, to do that?
So I did the first draft. I had no idea if it was terrible or what. Para sa akin parang okay naman siya. So
Oo.
I gathered a few of my friends to beta read.
Oh,
Close
nice.
friends lang
How did you
talaga.
know na kailangan mo magpa-beta read? Or parang,
Nag-research muna
nag-research ka
ako. Nag-research
talaga?
muna ako na what
Okay.
I have a first draft, what do I do? Parang
Nice.
kasi ito it's a Google search. I have a first draft of a manuscript. What do I do?
I love that. Sobrang specific nga. Ganun din ako
Oo.
mag-Google search.
So sabi ni Google, hanap daw
Oo.
muna ako ng beta readers to get my market. Super helpful
Okay.
nung Reddit. Yung self-publish sa
Oh,
subreddit,
okay.
parang dun actually merong beta
Beta
reader
readers,
group, pero
oo.
parang takot pa ako to really put my stories out
Kasi
to
hindi mo naman
strangers,
pa
eh.
sila
So
kilala,
talagang naghanap lang ako ng close friends willing
friends.
to read.
Mga ilan 'yan?
Siguro mga 10.
10 na
Konti lang
friends?
talaga.
Oo.
Tapos after nun siyempre friends ko sila, hindi ko alam kung dahil friends ko lang ba sila sabi nila okey
Oo.
naman daw, maganda naman daw.
Oo.
So sinabi ko sa husband ko, wala siyang idea, sabi niya, "Ha,
Oo.
nagsulat ka ng libro?"
Parang ang hirap
Oo,
i-ano.
tapos sabi niya, "Ba't hindi mo i-publish?" Sabi ko, hindi ko pa alam yung self-publishing. So sabi ko, "I have to find a publisher
Mm.
to do it." So nag-query-query pa ako, akala ko yun lang yung options ko. So siyempre hindi nila ako pinapansin, 'di ba? The
Kasi
literary
hindi
agents, 'di
oo,
ba?
kasi parang
Oo, kasi
kailangan
medyo
nila ng
medyo big deal sila, so naghahanap sila ng magandang-magandang plot. Siguro hindi pa gano'n for me. So hindi pa gano'n ka-major yung story para sa kanila, 'di ba? So parang actually 1 month lang ako nag-try mag-query ta's puro rejected agad. In a month, ha?
ano yan, yung mga local ba
Hindi
yan?
din oo,
International
kasi
talaga?
sa'tin walang agents,
Oo nga,
walang
eh,
literary
oo.
agents, puro
Puro
diretso
da
publisher.
oo.
Hindi ko tinry pa mag-local publisher kasi parang lahat ng nakikita ko children's book.
Karamihan nga, yun yung biggest
Oo.
market, children's books.
Tapos tinignan ko yung iba hybrid publisher, sabi ko, "Anong hybrid?" So dun ako
Mm.
nagka-idea na, puwede palang self. Ako magpapakahirap, eh, di isa-self-publish ko na lang, 'di ba?
Oo,
So ayun, yun yung sunod kong ni-research on how to
okey.
self-publish. Tsaka na ako nag-get into the nitty-gritty of how to
So, parang ikaw talaga yung nag-beta read ka ta's naghanap ka ng mga
mm.
printer, pati ba editor, ganyan? Naghanap
Yung editor ko sa Upwork ko lang siya hinire.
nice! Sobrang resourceful din
Oo,
talaga,
kasi
eh, 'no?
parang
Oo.
bago pa lang na I don't want to spend so much, 'di ba, na parang passion project lang naman, eh,
Oo,
tapos parang uubusin ko yung savings ko
oo,
to produce this major book. Eh, kung ayaw basahin, eh, di no, 'di ba? So,
oo.
'pag nagustuhan, eh, di okey, sulat pa ako. So, as much as possible, I kept the costs to a minimum kaya nag-hire akong freelancers, kaya ako nag-design ng
Ang
cover.
galing nga talaga, yun yung kaninang aham, parang sobrang gulat na gulat ako.
Oo.
Kasi nung sinabi niya casually na siya din yung
Ako din yung
nag-draw ng
nag-design ng cover.
cover. So, sorry, you've always been, into arts din ba
Yeah,
aside from writing?
creative person kasi talaga
Creative
ako. So,
person ka
parang feeling ko nga
talaga?
lagi akong nala-lock dun sa business corporate world. Kasi parang
Oo.
creative talaga akong person, eh. So, parang gusto ko laging i-channel yung inner creative ano ko. So, dati, before I became an author, I had a digital art account, pero small
Wow!
time
Saan yan?
account.
Sa
Instagram lang.
Instagram din?
Pero more on letterings kasi yung ginagawa ko.
Okey.
Yung mga parang basta
Parang
lettering. Oo,
naka-typography
oo,
gano'n, yung mga
calligraphy,
calligraphy, oh, okey
ganyan.
sorry, calligraphy
Oo,
din ako before.
calligraphy. So yun, nahilig ako dun sa yung mga
Oo, yung
watercolor,
watercolor.
Tapos tinry ko na 'to digital art, ta's yun,
Okey,
ta's tinry ko mag-drawing. Sabi ko I mean alam ko naman kung paano gamitin yung art na
oo,
app, 'di ba? So
okey.
how hard can it
So may
be?
drawing tablet ka din?
Oo,
Oh my
try.
gosh, sobrang kasi yung sister ko siya yung talagang artist sa'min na bunso. So, siya yung mga into the
Yeah.
digital art kaya nakita ko yung parang yung
Oo.
mga
So, since alam ko na siya
pen, ganyan,
gamitin, 'di ba
oo.
parang feeling ko basta may vision ka, eh. Yung
Basta may vision ka.
oo. So, madali na siyang i-sketch-sketch.
So itong dalawang book mo, ikaw yung nag-draw, ikaw yung nag-print, nagka-print and
Nagpa-print.
everything, naghanap ng lahat.
Oh,
Ah, naghanap talaga ng
oo,
lahat.
solo talaga.
Pati marketing, eh, I
Pati
think,
marketing,
eh.
oo.
Oo,
Oo, pati marketing. Siguro kasi nga dahil creative ako, madali kong magawa yung mga posts, creative
yeah, yung
posts,
posts.
gano'n. So, thank you Canva.
Canva, yes. Sobrang life-changing ng mga innovation like Canva.
Thank you din sa DLSU kasi hindi pa
Oo,
naka-cancel yung
yung ano,
pro
yung pro.
ko. Kahit ilang years na akong gumraduate, naka-Canva Pro pa din.
Kailan ka nga gumraduate?
2017 na wala
2017?
pang Canva nga nun, tapos parang
Oo, nadamay ka sa
naano lang sa'min na, "Uy, libre daw yung Canva Pro
'pag
'pag ginamit mo yung LaSalle
DLSU,
email."
oo.
So, ako in-expect ko nga wala na, eh, kasi yung Google wala
Oo,
na-cancel na yung
parang sa UP
Google.
din, oo.
Oo, inalis na yung Google kasi sayang nga may unlimited storage yung G
Oo.
Drive na.
Yung mga perks ng mga
Oo,
university 'no,
pero
I feel you.
yung Canva hindi pa nila inaalis. So,
Nice,
sana wag nila
nice. Wag na
alisin.
alam mo kapag narinig nila 'to tanggalin nila. Wag po.
Wag po.
Help support our local artists and authors.
Naku na po magbayad ng Canva Pro.
Marami ng gastos sa self-published author.
Totoo,
Consider it as ano, ambag sa
ambag.
society. So, how did you find your first clients or first buyers ng book?
Since may familiar na ako sa medyo marketing kasi dati may small businesses kami dati.
Okey.
Tapos parang familiar na ako on how to market. So, minarket ko muna siya before I published. So, parang I created muna hype, gano'n.
I love it. Kasi,
So, nag-message muna ako sa mga Bookstagram people, gumawa
parang,
muna akong Instagram account,
hinipe mo
tas
muna siya.
oo, inayos ko muna yung aesthetic ko.
I love it. I love that. Kasi ano, ang ganda nung process na yun. Actually, familiar ka ba sa The Lean Startup? Okay, okay lang. Kasi very similar. Sa the lean startup kasi, yun nga, sa tech, when you're building something, ang common kasi misconception ng mga tao is i-develop mo muna yung buong program, software, bago mo i-promote, bago mo i-market. But what I learned then is you have to test it out first. Kunyari,
Yeah.
test the messaging, validate the problem, the solution. Saka mo i-full out gawin yung parang pag-develop. So, ang galing kasi ganun din nga with
Oo.
publishing.
So, kahit parang ongoing pa yung edits ko, yung
Oo.
editor ko ongoing pa siya, mini-market ko na siya.
Yeah.
Kasi para sure ako na may
Na meron ka,
magbabasa.
yeah.
Tas I set up pre-orders para
Yeah.
din sure ako sa ipiprint ko.
Kung ilan, 'di ba,
Oo.
mga gano'n.
So, yun, nung minessage ko yung mga Bookstagram, actually thankful naman ako kasi sobrang warm ng Bookstagram
Yung Bookstagram
community.
community talaga.
Mm.
Recently lang din ako na-expose dahil lang sa
Oo.
PBF this
Tas parang
year,
magulat
oo.
ka sila na mismo yung talagang nagha-hype up for you.
Mm.
'Pag nagustuhan nila talagang, ay, ira-rant nila on social
Yeah.
media.
Hindi niyo na-realize ko sobrang supportive ng Filipino book community kasi ang konti pa lang natin.
Yun nga, konti pa lang. So, parang 'pag may okay, they really make noise for
Oo.
your book. So, yun, sinimulan ko sa marketing,
Marketing.
mina-market ko yung mga aesthetic, yung mga
Yeah.
vibes na
Yeah.
gano'n-gano'n. Hanggang sa yun, tuloy-tuloy.
Ang galing din siguro, isang factor din that helped you, succeed with marketing it is because you're a reader yourself
Yes, so
and
I
you're
know what I want to see.
yeah, so yung from everything from the aesthetic to the
Yeah.
writing to the how you promote it, 'di ba?
Yeah, wala akong Bookstagram account before, but I follow authors,
Yeah,
eh,
yun
'di ba? I
following
follow authors
authors.
and especially self-published authors, not
Yeah.
Filipino, yung mga nasa ibang
Talaga
ano.
mga western
Oh, parang
authors.
yung mga self-published authors talagang they really use social media. Nasa TikTok talaga sila, nasa Instagram talaga sila. And so I tried to do that, kung
Yeah,
ano yung ginagawa nila, and then tailor fit it sa Filipino community.
totoo yun. Actually, yun din isa pang learning ko, with any product din. Kahit gaano kaganda yung product mo, gaano kagaling yung pagsusulat mo, kung people don't know about it,
Yeah.
wala din.
Yeah,
So,
so
sobrang important ng
important talaga ng
marketing.
marketing, which is usually the reason why other self-published authors can't put their
Thrive,
books out there
oo.
kasi sometimes no they don't have the marketing knowledge
Yeah.
to market, 'di
Kasi
ba?
ibang bandwidth din
Oo,
yun, eh,
kasi
ibang
parang
headspace din
okay,
yun.
I wrote the book.
Mm.
Parang dapat publishers will market for you, eh, 'di ba? Kaso
Oo,
since self-published ka
push
nga,
ka.
everything.
What's next? What do you do now?
Mm.
Kailangan mo i-DIY lahat
Oo.
talaga. Are you able to use your know-how in data analyst as a data
Actually,
analyst,
yeah,
ganyan?
nagagamit siya especially sa may analytics sa TikTok,
Oo, yung
on
mga
what time
gano'n.
I have to post, parang
Algorithms.
algorithms 'pag, ano yung market ko na mostly well, hindi naman surprising na women in their 20s yung na women in their
Oo.
20s yung market ko, pero
So, as
as
expected
expected,
kumbaga, which
oo.
is
So
good.
so tama naman, wala
Oo.
naman akong binago. Parang
At
na-validate lang yung
na-validate na tama yung
ginagawa.
marketing mo at yung
Oo.
writing mo.
So, siguro sabi, "Okay, do what you're doing, continue."
Oo.
Yun, nagagamit ko siya especially 'pag yun nga yung what time I have to post, tapos ang ano yung post na usually gets a lot of engagement, yun. Di ko alam kung data analytics na ba yun, pero kasi
Data
that's
analytics na
yeah,
yun,
pero di ba
yeah.
parang that's the most you can get
Yeah,
from that, eh.
from the apps 'no,
Mm.
yeah. So, so everything 'di ba, you started out writing at a young age, ta's you're also an artist, digital artist, ta's ngayon data analyst, and you're a mom.
Yeah, yeah.
In your journey so far in your life, what would you say would be your biggest plot twist kaya?
Biggest plot twist definitely when I published the
Yun
book.
talaga?
Yun talaga. Kasi parang it really opened up doors for me na hindi ko in-expect. I mean, I've always known that my writing, sabi ko nga kanina kay Jesh, my writing was gonna be something. I
Okey.
just didn't know what that thing is. Parang
Oh,
dati I started blogging, akala ko I was gonna be a blogger.
oo.
I started writing articles, akala ko magiging ano lang ako, yung mga feature
Mga
na
sa
articles sa mga
magazine,
magazines,
ganun naman.
mga gano'n. So, okay. Basta I
Yeah.
always knew that my writing is
Things
something.
oo.
So, hindi ko
Kumbaga merong potential yan, may
oo,
pupuntahan yan.
may mangyayari sa
Yari
writing ko, hindi ko
Hindi
lang
mo lang alam
alam
kung
kung saan
ano.
siya pupunta. So, I
Oo.
tried everything, yun nga.
So, so dati ba, isa ka din sa mga nag-send sa mga candy mag?
Oh my
Ako
God!
din! Oh my
Oo,
God!
tapos na-feature, familiar ka pa sa Thought Catalog? Sobrang long.
Thought
Sobrang dami
catalog.
kong na-publish sa Thought
Oh my
Catalog. So,
God!
parang siguro ito talaga yung calling ko. Sabi ko magsulat
Oo.
ng mga short articles
Pero yung sa
for
Thought Catalog, 'di ba, hindi siya, ano siya, article siya, hindi siya
articles.
fiction stories, eh. So,
Articles
articles
siya.
na talagang
Oo.
nag-explore ka
Oo,
din.
tas napunta pa nga ako sa Thought Catalog, Elite Daily,
Oo, yung mga
mga
gano'n.
women magazine na
Yeah.
foreign. So, sabi ko
Oo.
siguro talaga magsusulat ako ng article. Siguro
Oo.
yun yun.
Sa mga local ba, sa mga
Hindi
dati ba, mga witch?
yeah, total girl. Total girl.
Sobrang relate kasi alam mo, sorry, singit lang ng fun fact. Yung witch, hindi mo ba binasa yun? Hindi.
Hindi.
Oh my God, sayang. Pero
Sayang.
yun yung isa sa mga kinakadikan ko nung bata ko. So, when I was 12, nagpa-contest sila. Tas yung prize is to tour the Summit Media
Wow.
thing. Sorry, ano tawag doon? Basta yung office
Oo.
nila. So, I won the
Oh my
competition.
God.
Nasa magazine ako, yung mukha ko. Tas I got dinner with the executives sa
Talaga?
Summit
At
Media at
12?
12. Ano ko, oh my God. Kaya akala ko din, parang medyo writing yung magiging journey ko.
'Di ba?
Akala ko. Pero parang I guess ngayon, mag-full circle din that I'm doing something with books and
Yeah.
ano.
'Di ba parang it's always gonna be something, eh, kasi you know that you
Oo.
love it. So, it's always gonna be in your life.
It's also gonna be in your
'Di
life.
ba? It's
Oo.
always gonna be something I do.
Mm.
So, hindi ko lang alam kung, whatever,
Yung parang
basta may magiging
may mangyayari sa kanya. Hindi mo lang alam in what form, kung
oo.
kailan.
So, siguro the biggest plot twist was finally knowing where
Oo.
it's going.
Ang galing din kasi you said kanina, it wasn't planned.
Yeah.
It was just because your husband was away, tas you had time, tas you're stressed in work, tas bigla kang,
Oo.
nakapagtapos ka na agad ng manuscript in a month.
So, dun ko nga na-realize nung natapos ko siya in a month, parang baka ito nga yun.
Baka yun talaga
Baka
yun.
ito yun kasi parang hindi ako nahirapan. So,
Mm.
sabi ko may challenge siyempre plot-wise,
Oo.
pero hindi siya yung ang hirap.
Kasi I think yun din yung common misconception ng mga tao that when you're pursuing something that's aligned with you, they think na dapat walang challenge.
Yeah.
Pero it's the opposite, eh. May challenge siya, pero yung challenge that will make you grow.
Yeah, it's parang challenge siya na worth it.
Worth it, yes.
So, parang dahil worth it siya, you don't see it as much of a challenge but more of like an opportunity. Yun.
Kanina kasi you were mentioning, diba, that the reason also that you were able to, kumbaga, hone your writing craft is because you were reading.
Yeah.
You read books. Na-mention mo kanina you parang read self-published authors sa ibang bansa.
Yeah.
Ganyan. So, when was your first time what was your age or kailan yung first book na binasa mo na alam mo na ay, I love reading.
Oh my
This is
gosh.
something that I'm gonna do forever.
I started reading mga bata pa, yung mga short stories, mga Geronimo Stilton,
Oh,
mga
yeah.
gano'n. Pero hindi ko na siya maalala. So, siguro hindi yun yung super impactful.
Hindi, parang I guess
Yung
hindi mo
super
rin.
impactful for me, na nalaman ko talagang bookworm ako, Twilight.
Twilight, oh my God! Yun yung mga sa school pinagpapasahan namin ng classmates ko.
Twilight.
How do you feel about that now?
I read Twilight, 11.
11.
11 years old. Tapos parang
Oo.
feeling ko, yun na yung pinakamagandang libro na nabasa ko.
Hanggang ngayon ba you feel the same?
Tapos binasa ko siya ulit. Actually, last year. Kasi last year ako nag-start magbasa talaga ulit ng talagang extensively.
Okay.
So parang, ito ba talaga yung is this the same book na talagang
pinasa mo
in-obsess over ko nung
Binasa mo ba yung New Moon Eclipse?
lahat, girl.
Lahat talaga.
Tapos yung Breaking Dawn,
Ako
naalala
din.
ko, binasa ko pa siya. Hindi pa siya release. Hindi pa siya release, naka-waitlist ako sa National Bookstore.
Pero ka-addict.
Ay, sorry, naka-waitlist ako sa National Bookstore ng release date ng Breaking Dawn. So, nakapila ako nung ire-release na siya kasi kailangan ko na siya mabasa. Ganon. Tapos may merch pa ako. Typical Twilight.
So, typical Twilight.
Oo. So,
Pinanood mo ba yung movies?
oo, girl. Oo. Actually,
Talagang
nauna ko panoorin yung movie. Yung unang-unang movie. Tapos nalaman ko na book. So, binili ng mom ko para sa akin. So, kasi nga ang daldal ko tungkol dun sa movie. Sabi ko,
Okay.
ganda, ganda
Ganda
ng
naman.
movie, ganyan. Tapos binili niya ako ng book. So, obsessed.
Obsessed talaga. Yung
Na-obsessed ako.
generation natin no,
Oo,
nabudol ng
obsessed. Na-obsessed ako talaga. Obsessed is the
Oo.
right word.
Obsessed yung ano
So, yun
talaga.
yung time na talagang nagsimula na yung reading
Reading
ko
mo.
na talagang sobra, na hindi, walang time na wala akong book. Tapos
Okay.
after ng Twilight, nag-Harry Potter na ako. So, yun na, wala na.
Oh my God. Alam mo,
Wala na,
sorry.
down the rabbit hole.
Confession, hindi ko pa nababasa at napanood yung Harry
Gosh!
Potter.
My gosh, the best. Tapos nag-Harry Potter, parang nakalimutan ko yung Twilight. Parang
Talaga, sige,
gano'n.
parang kailangan ko na
Pero
talaga
syempre hindi siya
mag-invest ng time.
romance, 'di ba? More on
Oo.
fantasy siya.
Ayun nga eh, parang I'm into mga fantasy din naman, pero parang
Okay siya. So, tapos
nakailang
yun,
tao na akong ginudge ako because pero yeah.
tapos
Oo.
after nung high school ko kasi nag-college ako, medyo nawala yung reading at parang nagka-slump ako ng sobrang tagal hanggang mag-work ako. Dumating sa time na 3, 5 books a year lang yung nababasa ko. Siguro kasi
Actually,
factor din na ang mahal ng libro.
totoo yun, totoo
Oo, hindi
yun.
siya easily accessible,
Yeah,
especially as a college student. 'Di ba, ang mahal ng ta's
mahal
babasahin
talaga.
mo siya for a day.
Yeah,
So, parang hindi ko siya priority at the time. Hanggang nung early time na nag-work ako, hanggang sa na-introduce ako sa e-books.
yun, e-books.
Ta's bumili ako ng Kindle,
Kindle talaga eh, no?
ta's nung nag-Kindle Unlimited, parang nandun pala, okey, hindi pa na siya kailangan maging like ano, mahal na
Mahal. Kasi
expensive.
parang sa'kin naman yung 'pag bumibili ako ng books before talagang naghihintay ako nung mga warehouse
Yeah.
sale, yung Big Bad Wolf,
Oo, yun,
ta's yung
yun, yun.
nagho-hoard. Ang problem ko naman, wala akong time.
Yun din.
Parang ang dami kong hinord, parang naalala ko na nag-aaral ako nun for the board exams. Ta's biglang nag-warehouse sale yung National, ta's may Big Bad Wolf. Nag-hoard ako ng sobrang dami. Hanggang ngayon yung mga iba dun may plastic pa. That was 10 years ago.
Yun nga rin kasi 'di ba parang nasi-shift yung priority mo, eh, ta's
Oo,
nawawala
nawawala
yung
talaga.
reading talaga, especially yung mga physical books kasi
Yep,
alangan naman dalhin mo siya, eh, 'di ba,
yeah.
everywhere you go.
Kaya ano din eh, game changer din yung Kindle. For me kasi ayoko din yung eye strain 'pag ano,
Oo,
so ang laking bagay nung ink niya.
nag-start ako mag-e-book sa phone ta's sa
Sakit, oo,
mata, kaya
distracting
kaya
din.
ako bumili ng Kindle.
Oo. So ang galing din na parang similar din pala yung journey mo na, 'pag reader ka, okey parang may mga period talaga in your life na mawawala
Nawawala siya, eh. So,
ka, but
parang ngayon
you'll find your way back.
oo,
You'll
oo.
find your way
And
back
when you find
always.
your way back, talagang you're back.
You're back. You're back
You're back
talaga.
talaga.
And now may
Oo,
sarili ka pang libro
oo.
ta's nag-connect
Gano'n ako
lahat.
ka-back.
Nag-align talaga lahat
Oo,
'no?
oo.
Parang with your books ba, like, did you get to talk to your readers? Did you parang form a community,
I
ganyan?
formed a community. Siguro ano lang, more on, Instagram lang.
Instagram,
Oo,
yeah.
I haven't really made like a community. But you know what I'm planning to? I already made a Facebook account na para dun. 'Cause I want
Oh,
to make parang a street team.
oh,
Oh, kasi same people yung
oo.
nagha-hype up ng books ko tapos parang wala lang, since they're the ones there, 'di ba,
But
I
I have a
want to
question, sorry. Ano yung street team para sa
ay
mga hindi
sorry,
familiar?
street team is this team that
Okay,
will promote your book for you.
okay.
So, para silang street team kasi ang ano niya ata is magha-house to house. I mean, yun yung
Yun yung parang
conception,
concept, oo.
magha-house to house sa street,
Okay,
nagma-market. Pero since online na tayo, they just promote the book. And since they
okay.
do that anyway, 'di ba, kahit hindi
Oo,
ko naman gawin yung street team, ginagawa ng mga readers yun, might as well, 'di ba,
make it
I make
official.
a community that we can bibigyan ko sila ng ano, advance copies, mga
Yeah.
gano'n, yun.
Anong goals mo as in right now, 'di ba, this self-publishing your book thing, you started it out as a passion project.
Yeah.
But what are your goals for it as an
Well, as
author?
of now, goal ko is of course to finish this series, 'di ba?
Okay.
The third one, I'm planning mga around September this
Oh,
year. Oo,
nice.
sinusulat ko pa lang siya. Sinusulat ko pa lang siya.
Love it.
Draft 1 pa
Draft
lang, chill.
1. Walang pressure,
No
guys, no
pressure.
pressure.
Draft 1 pa lang.
Mm.
Tapos, yung fourth book, I'm hoping early next year naman. And I'm drafting a standalone book din. Actually, marami na rin akong outlines ng mga future series. So ako, since self-published naman, I don't think there's a certain pressure to when I should
Oo,
ano,
it's
eh, 'di
you
ba?
have control naman over
Oo, may publishing
oo.
days, may ano. Well, if the time comes na publish traditionally, syempre magpapa-pressure ako.
Oo. Kasi yun naman parang yung right now yun yung nakikitang ultimate goal, 'di ba? Pero it's not always the easiest path.
Yes, it's not.
Oo.
So I'm just doing, 'di ba? I just write. Sabi nga nila, the best thing to do when after you write your first book is to write another one.
Okay.
Parang just write books, 'di ba? May mapupuntahan yan eh. If it doesn't get traditionally published, then you self-publish.
Yeah, yeah. And I think dun din nadi-distinguish or nasa-separate yung mga people who are actually passionate or gusto talaga nila
Yeah,
yung
yeah, yeah.
mag-publish or
Yeah, just
magsulat.
gusto mo
Kasi
talagang
oo,
just put it out there,
oo,
'di
na
ba?
parang whether or not gusto ko yung mentality na whether or not may magpamansin sa'kin kasi you tried it,
Yeah,
eh,
yeah,
you
yeah.
tried it all pero kumbaga even in spite of that hurdle, eto
Yeah, yeah,
may
yeah,
libro
yeah.
ka, oh my God!
Yun nga, actually feeling ko nga if I knew about self-publishing the
Oo,
first time, baka hindi ko na talaga
ito
tinry
na yung
mag-query.
oo,
Akala ko lang kasi talaga yun yung only way to publish,
oo,
to get my book out there, kailangan ko ng third party publisher. Hindi pala.
yun
So
pala. So talagang
self-publish ko na lang
yeah,
siya. At
saka
least 'di ba, sa'kin siya.
at sa'yo siya tapos you have full control over it. Saka alam mo yun, alam mong gusto mo kasi ginawan mo ng
Oo, oo.
paraan, tinrabaho mo ng sobra.
Yes.
What would you say, Kyra, yung maybe top 3 to 5 books that really made an impact or influence your journey, maybe either as a mom, as a data analyst, or as an author? Ganyan.
Twilight.
Talaga
Hindi,
ba?
Twilight because it introduced me
Ah,
eh, 'di
yeah,
ba?
sabagay, oo.
Parang yun yung pangit lang, pero yun yung talagang catalyst ko for
Ang ganda
the
nung term,
writing.
catalyst, or gateway,
Oo,
na
'di
parang
ba?
yung book naman na it every book has a purpose in your
Yeah,
life
yeah.
regardless kung
'Di
yung
ba?
content,
It doesn't have to be a very good book,
good
but
book.
at the time, it was the best book for me. And
Ang
parang,
galing, ang ganda
'di
nun.
ba, for me, siguro kasi na-outgrow ko na siya, 'di ba? Pero
Oo,
nung 11 years old ako, talagang obsessed ako dun.
I
So,
love
yun
that.
dun talaga ako naging reader. So, I thank you, 'di ba? Thank you,
Oo.
Twilight.
Saka add ko din, I don't know if it's just me na na-observe ko, may kind of, anong tawag dito, 'pag sa Wattpad, parang people kind of have different views about
Yeah.
Wattpad. Ang thought ko naman dun is, if it's a gateway for writers to start
Yeah, for
writing, for
readers to
readers
start
to start
reading.
reading, it's really doing its job and
Yeah.
it's serving a purpose.
And usually naman 'di ba sa Wattpad more on students yung nandiyan,
Mm.
eh, kasi nga they don't have the capacity to publish outside of their wala
Yeah.
silang means to publish, 'di ba?
Mm.
So usually nagwa-Wattpad sila. So I think okay din na the
Yeah.
young people, they are given early access
Exactly.
to.
Parang kumbaga parang solution or every product, every service has a space in the
Yeah,
ecosystem.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Kasi kung depende sa journey na pinaano. So yun yung first book mo,
Yeah,
no? Yeah, Twilight.
another one The Little Prince. Yeah, simula nung naging assigned reading siya nung high school ako, parang I read it from time to time. Parang and every time I read it, I get something new out of it. Kasi 'di ba Little Prince is about parang childlike wonder.
Hindi ko pa
Oo.
tapos alam mo yung
Sorry,
babasahin ko
sorry.
pero tama, oh, yeah, yeah, I
Sorry.
like
So, pero
okay
anyway, yun yung
lang.
thought
Oo,
niya, eh,
yun yung thought
childlike
niya.
wonder. Kasi especially now, nung binasa ko siya last year lang ulit, kasi nga parang every other year binabasa ko siya.
Okay.
Tapos last year parang when you're so focused on the numbers, on the logic of parang kailangan masyado kang adult,
Nakakapagod maging
you get to
adult.
reflect, 'di ba, na parang,
Oo.
"Teka lang, I should not lose this childlike wonder," na parang, "Bakit ko ba ginagawa 'to?" 'Di ba? Is this something that the young me would like me to do? 'Di ba? So
Oh,
parang
sorry gusto kong i-ano yun, alam namin yung sinabi mo. Is this something that the young me would like
yeah,
me to do?
yeah, 'di
I
ba kasi
love
parang
that.
if I meet myself, my young self, "Oh, anong ginagawa mo?" "Ah, okay, you're in a bank." Nangyari sa'tin.
Jinudge ka nung younger self mo.
Oo, parang ang nangyari sa Blogspot.
Sa blogspot.
'Di ba? Baka lalo
My
siyang umiyak
God.
kasi emo siya.
Oh my God, oo nga, tapos nagsulat din siya ng sarili niyang bagong emo,
Oo, emo
vlog.
siya, eh. So, 'pag nalaman niyang wala akong ginawa,
Nagdrama siya sa'yo.
oo.
Ang cute nung quote,
So,
sorry.
anyway, yun, The
Oo.
Little Prince kasi parang lagi siyang it
It's a
makes me
good
reflect,
reminder
oo,
to
it's a
ano.
reminder. Another one, ito ata yung favorite book ko, eh. I don't know if you've read The Magic Strings of Frankie Presto by Mitch Albom. Hindi siya romance book, pero ano
Ano
siya,
siya?
parang it's about Frankie Presto. Fiction 'to, It's about Frankie Presto, parang musician siya in Elvis Presley, gano'n. Tapos it's written by Music. Si Music yung nagnanarrate. So anyway,
Okay.
nabigyan si Frankie Presto ng magic guitar with magic strings na parang every time he changes someone's life with his music, a string turns blue. So parang it
Oh,
reminds you of, again, your purpose, 'di
purpose.
ba? So siya, music, ako, every time I want to make sure that my writing does something to someone, 'di ba? And every time that happens, 'di parang, 'di ba, fulfilling siya.
Fulfilling
My
siya.
string is blue.
Ang ganda ng visual din na yun,
Oo.
ano, para meron kang iniisip, "Okey,
Oo,
may string
kaya
and
nga
blue."
nung PBF nagulat ako, may lumapit sa'kin na parang binigyan niya ako ng booklet na
Mm.
parang favorite author daw niya ako, ta's may
Oh,
letters, 8
oo,
pages back to back
oo.
'yun. Letter siya on bakit daw yung book ko yung favorite book niya, bakit niya ako favorite,
Aw,
umiyak talaga ako.
oh my
Umiyak
God!
ako,
Oh,
umiyak ako. Tapos parang, 'di ba, it really gives me that push na parang,
meron talaga.
meron pala talagang,
Mai-impact,
may
nagbabasa.
nai-impact pala talaga. So parang it really inspires me more to do it more.
I love that. Ang ganda nun na kasi parang people think that success is measured in numbers.
Yeah,
And sometimes before you get to see the numbers, you have to focus first on yung quality, yung mga
yeah,
nakakausap mo.
totoo.
Kasi for you, 'di ba, parang kaka-publish mo lang yung book na yan, pero meron ka na agad na impact na life.
Yun nga,
So, parang yung sharing mo, is it yun yung parang first gano'n kalalim na binigay sa'yo nung fan mo or nung reader mo ba?
oo.
Oo.
Parang yun yung first time na may nagsabi sa'king favorite author
Oo.
ako. So parang, "Ha, ako?"
Yung parang yung
Oo,
drama na, "Ha,
"Ha,
ako?"
ako? Bakit?" Ganun pa nga yung reaction ko, "Bakit?" Ta's
Oo.
nandun sa nasa booklet, ta's talagang booklet siya ng favorite
Anong sabi
author.
niya? Like,
Like parang sabi niya kasi naka-relate daw talaga siya dun sa characters na
I
sinulat
love that.
ko, and it felt raw, it really resonated with her.
Love that.
So, ano daw, yun daw yung book talaga na ire-recommend niya kahit kanino. So parang grabe, may ganun pala. So
Yeah.
parang ito pa lang yung ginagawa ko. Feeling ko it's just a passion project for myself. And parang ngayon hindi na lang siya basta ganun.
Hindi na lang siya gano'n. Nung
Oo.
nakita mo na yung
Oo,
purpose
nung
niya,
nakita ko na, I mean, the
yung
good
impact.
reviews are one thing, 'di ba, na
Yeah,
makikita mo,
iba
okey,
yun.
nagustuhan nila, ganyan. But
Oo.
when it's very impactful to someone, parang dun mo talaga maaano na, okey, 'pag tinigil ko 'to, hindi na lang ako. Parang
Oo.
'pag bigla ko 'tong tinigil,
Tigil,
may
may
iba
iba
ring
ng
maaapektuhan na.
maapektuhan.
So dun ko
Oo.
na-realize na, okey, it's getting bigger. It's
Yeah.
not what I expected it to be, na ano lang, passion project lang, na okey, hobby ko lang magsulat, ganyan,
Oo.
gano'n. So parang ngayon I'm given, hindi naman responsibility, 'di ba, pero
Pero
parang inspiration to write more, to
kasi
impact more.
parang it's your calling na rin, eh, 'no?
Oo, oo.
Oo.
Kaya nga, someday goal ko talaga maging do it full time. Kasi
Full
feeling ko if I
time.
do it full time, I mean,
Oo.
it's gonna be better, 'di ba?
Yeah, saka ano din, parang at least you can just focus your kasi imagine, yung thinking ko is, this is just a side thing for you. Ganito na
Yeah,
yung
yeah,
impact
yeah,
mo. What more
yeah.
if you allot your full energy
Yeah,
into it?
actually iniisip ko na talaga siya to do
To do
someday, 'di ba?
oo.
Siguro again, timing, 'di
Oo.
ba?
Saka ano din, gusto ko i-bring up, yun yung goal talaga namin for Reco, na lalo na gusto ko na talagang i-scrap yung thinking na hindi mo kayang i-sustain yung livelihood mo as an author or as an artist, lalo na sa Philippines. So yun yung kind of where we wanna come in talaga. Kasi yun nga, it's the impact, eh. It's
Yeah.
the impact. Another thing din, I think there's a common misconception that yung mga lalo na 'pag fiction versus non-fiction na discussion, people think that only non-fiction books can make an
Yeah,
impact, but
yeah,
it's
yeah,
not.
yeah.
Kasi ito, parang it's the power of stories. Yung
Totoo.
yung fiction books, ang dami ring yung parang ako, I remember, I started reading fiction books talaga when I was young. I think Babysitter's Club, Sweet Valley, and it was through those stories that I survived some parts of my childhood. Kasi
Yeah,
ang thinking ko, relatable 'tong character na 'to, parang ganito ako mag-isip.
totoo.
Ay, kung kinaya niya, kaya ko
Yeah.
din. Oo.
And often kasi, 'di ba, characters are versions of ourselves na better. Parang
Yeah.
sila
Parang sila
yung
yung
oo.
aspirational
So parang
self
sila yung
natin. Oo.
version of, well,
Ito
eto, yung
ito
sinulat
yung sa
ko, she's the
character mo.
version of myself na na in a way, it's who I want to be. So, siyempre, okay siya, 'di ba? Okay siya as a person, pero hindi siya totoong person. Kaya I think fiction talaga is, it's as impactful.
Yeah,
Yeah.
saka ano din yung fiction, it gives you the freedom to also show what's possible,
Yeah, 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 yeah.
'di ba?
Walang limits,
Walang
eh.
limits, eh. So talagang yung yun nga, side note lang din why I'm doing this podcast. Because I want people to understand that you don't have to be an avid reader or parang to be impacted by a book. Kasi akala nila, 'pag nagbasa ka boring or pang matalino. But there are fiction books like this that
Yeah,
that
yeah, yeah.
parang can be relatable and actually make it parang I would think nga this can be a source of maybe inspiration on how they can lead their
Yeah, yeah.
relationships
Isa
or
pa, romance as a
romance.
genre, 'di ba? Marami ring
Oo.
misconception na parang,
Oo.
romance,
May
not
mga
not too
gano'ng
serious, 'di ba? Parang
oo,
'pag nakipagkuwentuhan ka na, I read romance books, parang ang dating you're not.
wala nilo-look down
Oo,
minsan.
oo.
Oo.
When in fact ito yung reflection of the real world, eh. It's
Yeah.
how especially as women, 'di ba? It's how you will set expectations ba for yourself, 'di
Yeah.
ba? Parang, bakit ako papayag na ginaganyan ako, eh,
Exactly.
'di ba? There's so much more out there.
Yeah. Parang it's ano, there's so much to be learned in the
Yeah.
realm of relationships,
Yeah, yeah,
love,
yeah, yeah. And how
romance,
you're
how
treated,
how
'di
you're
ba?
treated. Lalo sobrang powerful din for women kasi iba talaga yung society ngayon.
Totoo,
Iba talaga. And to have books that can portray, "Uy, possible pala yung ganitong kind of relationship or
'di ba?
ganitong kind of treatment."
Kahit hindi gano'n ka-perfect, 'di ba?
Oo. Wag
Pero
naman yung
oo,
yung
siyempre walang gano'n ka-perfect,
oo.
pero at least you get an idea na
Yeah. Don't settle for less,
oo, don't settle for
basically.
less.
Oo.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, tawag dito, kasi parang ano siya, eh, it's really something that you parang hindi naman I wouldn't say reference book.
Hindi naman, 'wag
Hindi
niyo
naman
naman
gano'n,
gawing
hindi naman
reference.
gano'n. Pero really something na panghahawakan. I mean,
Oo.
side note lang kasi, kunyari kuwento ko nag-iisip kasi ako nagkukuwento ko, eh, na parang before I had someone and then alam mo yung akala mo kasi yun, eh, yung best and then parang when you open your eyes and see what else is possible out there, malalaman mo na, ay okey, parang yung siguro sa Twilight nung
Ah,
na-realize mo na
meron pa
na
palang ibang
meron palang
libro.
ibang mas so yun, ta's ang ganda din nung ano, I guess ang ganda din nung yung sinabi mo kanina about, you didn't think that your work could impact someone in that level.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
For me naman, share lang, kasi sorry ganito sa talaga sa podcast, kwentuhan, nag-share
Share lang.
share din. I write, pero I haven't written a book yet. I have a Facebook page. It's called Engineer Rakatera. I stopped writing for a while, for 1 year na, pero it grew to maybe 43,000 followers lang. Pero it's just parang compared sa mga big
Yeah,
time, 'di
yeah.
ba, it's small. So, every time that I would stop parang ang writing ko kasi doon mostly on personal dev, reflections ko, mga stories ko as a person. And then sometimes I would feel the doubt na parang, ay, parang ayoko na magsulat. Parang wala namang
Imposter syndrome.
oo, imposter syndrome. And then whenever I feel that way, biglang may papasok na long message sa inbox ko nung random person na mahabang kwento niya.
'Di
Kasi
ba?
oo, ta's
Oo.
parang sabihin niya, "Naka-relate ako, thank you sa post mo na 'to." Iba nga parang babalikan ako years after, eh, na
Wow.
dahil sa isang shinare ko before, ngayon eto na sila, nag-engineer na sila or naging business person, ganyan. Ta's minsan din, when I did yung mga face to face, biglang may lalapit din. Kasi parang hindi naman ako I mean, hindi naman siya sikat dapat, 'di ba? So, it's more of magugulat ka na lang na sa isang event may mag-a-approach, ta's kakausapin ka, ta's
Mm.
parang kilala ka na kasi nila, eh, or parang alam nila yung work mo, 'di ba? Ta's yung I guess it's just a validation din
Oo,
ni
oo.
universe or ni God na you're on the right path.
Yes.
And it reminds you of your purpose. Especially, yun yung kinakapitan ko kapag ano, downtimes. Parang, do you also parang sinisave mo ba yung mga
Of
reviews, yung mga
course,
ganun, 'di ba?
oo. Especially yung mga reviews na reflects on my writing and the
Oo.
story and how it impacted them. Talagang
Mm.
parang ano siya, eh, it's a bomb.
It's
'Pag may time na feeling mo hindi mo na kaya magsulat or naba-block ka, it happens, 'di ba,
it
nagre-writer's
happens.
block ka, ganyan. You just look back at those na parang na-block ka din dati but this happened anyway. So, 'di ba? Kaya mo yan.
Yan, exactly. It is just part of life. Marami lang plot
Yeah,
twists,
yeah, yeah.
challenges. So, yung tatlong books na yun, meron pa bang ibang, like, do you also read do you have Filipino book or Filipino author influences din, ganyan?
Honestly, before I became a writer, wala
Wala.
talaga.
Oo.
Kaya nga nagulat ako na wide pala.
Yun nga
Oo,
di
especially
ba?
yung PBF. Nagulat ako, ang
Oo.
dami pala talaga.
Di ba?
Na nasaan sila?
Nasaan sila? Yun yung halash ko talaga kasi
Bakit
di
ang
ba?
dami-dami nila dito in this nung media nung
Nung
nung nung PBF.
BF mismo.
Oo,
Oo.
tsaka yung exhibitors, parang before kasi nun may meeting yung exhibitors.
Exhibitors.
Ta's parang
Ang dami
sobrang
niyo.
daming tao. Bakit hindi ko
Hindi
alam?
di ba
Bakit hindi ko kayo kilala?
yun yung hugot ko din why I'm doing this and yung sa Reco kasi ako personally, I've always loved supporting local. Whether it's local brands, local products. So books, recently ko lang nalaman na madami pala talagang
Yeah, yeah,
authors.
yeah.
Ang akala ko yung mga, parang dati kasi sa Bookspine when we were starting, we only had like around 10 something consigned na self-published authors. And usually yung mga alam ko nga yung mga non-fic, yung parang naging thought leaders lang nagagawa ng book. And I didn't realize how vast the author
Dami pala
local
talaga.
literature ecosystem here is. So, I think ngayon pa lang yung perfect time na nagbo-boom na din.
Yeah, feeling
Na,
ko okay din yung
oo.
PBF dahil
Oo. Sobrang helpful din ng PBF talaga. Thank you NBDV for supporting authors, 'di ba, local authors.
Yeah.
So yun. So yung tatlong
Yeah,
books
yeah,
yung
yeah.
pinaka
Wala
nag-impact
pa akong maisip
in your
ulit.
life. Okay lang. So yung next mo ngayon is the third book.
Yes, the third
Yeah, the
book.
third book. So
Malapit
for those
na.
who are parang interested, no, can you maybe share to them what these two books are about so
Sure.
far? Yeah.
So this first book, Between Then and Now, it's about Bon and Ryan. So si Bonita is a film producer na bagong film producer lang siya.
Okay.
Tapos they live in this small town called Magnolia Heights, and then si Ryan is a new doctor din na parang magme-medical mission siya to Batanes. And then si Bon is kailangan niya ng content basically. Kailangan niya ng content para so her bosses will take her seriously. Parang kailangan niya ng content for a project.
Project.
So pinilit niyang sumama dun. Tas yun.
Kinikilig na
At
ako
sabi
sa
ni Ryan, kasi medyo grumpy yung guy, grumpy. Sabi niya,
Okay.
"Sige, sama kita pero tulungan mo kong kausapin yung girl na gusto ko." So may gusto din siyang fellow doctor. Pero syempre,
Okay.
obviously, syempre.
Yun yung mga ganyang ano eh, no? Yung mga trope
Oo,
na ganyan.
yun. So, may
Okay.
mga nagpa-practice dates, gano'n. May practice dates, tas friends sila,
Friends.
yun. So, yun yun. And then,
Okay.
itong second book naman is about Emily, which is friend siya ni Bon, and si
Okay.
Joshua na brother ni Bon.
Okay.
So, mag-best friend sila. Tas si Emily is in New York. Sa New York siya naka-base. Si Emily kasi is a genius. Parang matalino siya, gano'n.
Okay.
CPA siya,
Wow.
nasa New York siya. Tapos natanggal siya sa work for secret reasons, basahin niyo. Tapos
Basahin niyo guys.
tapos parang nagjo-juggle siya ng part-time jobs to make ends meet kasi eldest daughter siya, so kailangan niyang mag-sustain sa
Okay.
family niya, 'di ba?
Felt.
Oo, so na-meet niya dun si Joshua, tas
Okay.
nag-date sila na hindi nila alam na sila pala yung nagkakilala pala sila before nung bata sila.
Wow.
Tapos nung umuwi sila for
Mm.
the wedding spoiler. Hindi naman spoiler,
Spoiler
obvious
kasi hindi na
obvious
yung ano
naman na
eh.
happy ever after, 'di ba?
Oo.
So nung umuwi sila for the wedding, they agree na mag-fake dating sila para kunyari they have their lives together.
Ay, para yung mga Filipino culture to avoid the
Oo, kasi si
questions.
Joshua binubugaw siya lagi ng nanay. Tas ayaw na niya
Oo.
ng gano'n kasi nga casual person siya, ayaw niya
Oo.
ng binubugaw siya. Tas si Emily naman ayaw niyang maungkat
Yung nangyari
yung
sa
nangyari sa kanya, ayaw niya aminin na ano siya in New York. So, they fake their relationship to
abangan and basahin yung books.
basahin niyo.
And then,
Yung
yeah.
third book, ano siya, it's about Kate naman. Yung third, apat kasi silang friends.
Oh, okay.
It's about Kate naman, yung isa nilang friend. And secret pa kung sino yung kasama niya. Ipo-post ko at the
Post na
end of
lang.
the month. Sana.
Yung nasabi mo na. Yeah.
Oo,
The pressure is real.
yun. So, ano siya, ang main trope niya is enemies to lovers.
Interesting yun. Ang galing nung different tropes.
Yes.
I love it.
Na-outline ko na yan. Oo,
Ang
pero ayoko
saya.
pang i-out kasi baka magbago pa yung isip ko.
So yung process mo dito, yung sa third book, parang was it something that napinlano mo na nung first book? Ito kasi yung first mong sinulat,
Nung
diba?
na-realize kong gusto ko na siya gawing series, pinlano ko na
Pinlano
yun
mo na
agad.
siya.
I mean, vaguely, kung ano yung
Parang yung
trope.
concept, yung
Oo,
trope.
para hindi mag-overlap eh.
Gets.
Yun.
That's so
Tsaka yung personality
nice.
traits nila as female characters. Yun yung pinlot ko.
So nice. So almost wrapping up. Almost. So for you, Kyra, like if you were gonna talk to your younger self, anong message mo for her?
Don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. And every time that something happens to you, every time something new happens to you, just, embrace the uncertainty.
Embrace the uncertainty. I love that. Naalala ko na yung gusto kong sabihin kanina. Yung nablanko ako. Yung gusto kong sabihin doon was, hindi mo talaga kayang iplano yung buhay mo.
Yes. Oo, yun.
Yun.
Yun. Kasi di ba pag
Related.
bata ka, parang you feel like everything is possible. Na parang,
Oo.
ito yung mangyayari sa akin. By 20, ganito ako. By 25, ganito. By 30, dapat ganito. Hindi hindi ganun eh. So every time you find yourself disappointed na hindi nangyari yung plano mo, siguro hindi na lang yung younger self yung
Oo,
kausap ko
ikaw
dito
pati
na. Lahat
pati
na.
lahat na.
Every
Oo.
time na hindi nangyayari yung plano mo, just embrace the uncertainty. Because sometimes we often, nagfo-focus tayo dun sa scary part, sa overwhelming part, that we forget that yung transition in itself is, we should be grateful, di ba? That we're given a chance to reassess kung nasan tayo, kung saan natin gusto pumunta. So just take advantage of that transition.
Ang ganda nun. Ang ganda nung insight na yun. Sorry. Kasi I always talk about na yung detours can lead to somewhere even better. But, the transition itself is also a blessing.
Yeah.
Kasi it's a space for you to
Yeah.
recalibrate.
Not
Ang
everyone
galing.
has that, 'di ba?
Oo.
Parang not everyone has the opportunity to change their
Yeah.
career, to change, 'di ba? Whether you're becoming someone new, rediscovering something else, parang it's a blessing that you get to do that.
I love it. Galing. So, embrace uncertainties and look at the opportunity.
Yes.
Yes, to rediscover. So, thank you for that message,
Thank
Kyra.
you.
Tinamaan din ako.
Thank
So,
you.
for those who wanna follow you, know more about your book, and get updates, where can they find you?
Mostly social media naman. I'm on Instagram at Kyra Isabel Writes. Yes,
Okay.
actually nandun naman lahat.
Okay.
Ayun din naman yung ibang links ko.
Oo. Pati yung mga TikTok. May
Yes,
TikTok ka na ba?
TikTok ko
Yeah.
same, Kyra Isabel
Okay,
Writes. But if
nice.
you click my Instagram, nandun naman na yung where to buy, how to buy,
Yeah.
website, newsletter.
So for those Kyra who want to buy your book, actually it's available now through our project Suking Aklatan. So the print books can be purchased at any of the participating book sale branches, and yung ebooks naman will be is available na on the Reco platform. So thank you so much again, Kyra, for actually saying yes to be part of our Suking
Thank you.
Aklatan
Thank you for the
project.
opportunity.
Yeah, kasi I feel like, 'di ba, we need this talaga to uplift local authors. So guys, check out her books. Sobrang ako gusto ko na talaga kailangan ko na mag-carve out ng time para basahin yung libro
Oo.
ulit. I'm so excited na ako. So yun, last pahabol question. If your life were a book, what would the title be?
Siguro the title would be Lost and Found.
Ang ganda.
Lost and Found. Kasi when it comes to my writing, 'di ba, I lost it and then I found it. Yun. So it happens to everyone, 'di ba? You lose something about yourself, but then eventually you find it, you reconnect with it, and it's always beautiful process.
I love that. Thank you. Ang ganda ng Lost and Found. Sorry, ang dami ko pang gustong sabihin after it na yun nga, ayoko nang ituloy kasi mahahaba na yung podcast. Let's end it there, cut. Pero hindi pala cut. Sorry. Yeah. Alright, thank you so much, Kyra,
Thank
for
you, thank you.
guesting.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I guess that's it for today's Kwentuhan. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed the episode. I'm Gia Santos, and for more info about us and the books we recommended, check out the description below. Follow us on social media, and we'd love to hear from you. Off the Record podcast is brought to you by Reco Asia, your gateway to Filipino books and authors. See you in the next episode.